Hey guys, this is TechBSD. Today I have earphones from Philips. As you can see that this is in-ear headphone SHE3590 bass sound. The price mentioned on the box is 499, which is roughly converted to 8 US dollar. And you can see that you can use this headphone as a MP3 headphones, and nothing special on the box. So let's just cut the seal. For the seal I have my toolkit. Now I'm going to cut the seal with my toolkit. As you can see that packaging is quite hard, so I have to cut it badly. As you can see that finally the box is open. And what we have inside the box, as I can show you. Now we have the earphone itself. Here we have the paper in which something is written in some different language, so I can't explain you the meaning of that. Just keep this side, and you can see that the color is purple color. Now just open it. They have used the tape. Now the box is almost open. As you can see that this is in-ear style. So nicely packed. Now finally it is open, and with the box I get in-ear tips. One is small size and one is large size, and the medium size is on headphone already. As you can see that the cable length of the cable is quite good. The earphone cable is quite good. Sorry for that. You can see that there is no mic in this headphone, so you cannot use it as a to receive calls. You can see that the closer look. Here you have the headphone itself, and the quality is nice, cable is nice. For the comparison, I have the Xiaomi basic earphones which I unboxed earlier. You can also check the unboxing of Xiaomi basic earphones. The link is in the description, so you can see that the difference in both. Yeah, quality difference, size difference in both of the headphones. That's all for the unboxing. I will give you a further review of these earphones after some time, and you can also see that the This is not gold plated, simple silver in color. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like my channel, if you like my video, please subscribe. Tech BSD, the signing off.